What happened during the Ukrainian president's recent meeting at the Cathedral amid the war? This unexpected gathering reveals more than just diplomacy. It shows a powerful symbol of resilience and hope in a time of crisis. The Ukrainian president's meeting was held inside a centuries-old cathedral, a place deeply rooted in the nation's history and spirituality. This setting was not chosen at random. Amid ongoing war, the cathedral represents a sanctuary of hope and strength for the people. The location underscores the president's message that despite the turmoil, Ukraine's cultural and spiritual identity remains unbroken. Beyond formal talks, the meeting served as a powerful call for peace and solidarity. The president used this rare moment to speak directly to citizens and the world, emphasizing Ukraine's determination to defend its sovereignty and values. The atmosphere was solemn but hopeful, highlighting a shared commitment to overcoming adversity through faith and unity. The meeting included poignant symbolic gestures, such as lighting candles and prayers led by religious leaders. These rituals reinforced the idea that the fight for Ukraine is not only physical but spiritual. Such symbolism resonates deeply with Ukrainians, offering comfort and a sense of purpose during these dark times. This meeting at the cathedral was a powerful mix of faith, resilience, and leadership that showed the world Ukraine's unwavering spirit. It reminds us how symbols and places can unite people in the hardest times. For more surprising insights into current events and history, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.